Hey guys, my name is Siddharth. Today in this video, we are going to perform data analysis using MS Excel. So we are going to do two kind of data analysis. First is finding the best day of the week for the sales, and then we will also find the uh, best time slot. Okay, so here we have these sale dates, and these are the dates. We can consider them as a sales date. So on this date, we have two sales, and then we have like here we have two sales. This has only one sale. So here, what we are going to do first, we are going to find the weekday, which is the day of the week. So we can say weekday like this, and then like this column here, and then this cell here, and now we have the seventh. So this is the seventh day of the week. So now we have these are the days of the week by numbers. So we want the exact name like Monday and Tuesday and Thursday. So what we can do is we can say text and this value, and here I can say like this. This would give me the day of the week. So this is the Saturday, Friday, Sunday, like this. So if suppose I have to do some other thing, I can also say text and this value, and here I can say D three times. This would give me the short form of the day of the week. Okay. Also, we can do like text, and we can select this date, and I can say MM, and this would give me the month. Okay. So this is how this text function work. All right, so now we have the day of the week, and now we are going to find which is the best day, because we have this plenty of data and sales are happening on each of the days. So which day has the most number of sales? So here, this I'm going to use the count if, and okay, I can say count if, and for the range, I'm going to select this range, and let's say F4, and then the criteria is this. So now if I drag it, so these are the days. So Monday in this data set, Monday is coming 124 times, Tuesday is 117 times, and like this. So Wednesday and Thursday have 96 and 93. Rest all the days have more than 100 sales, and Monday and Tuesday has the most. So by this we can find out that the Monday is the best day for the sale. Okay, so this is the one part of the analysis. Now in the second part, we have this data, and let's suppose we have these IDs here, and these are the time of the registration IDs. So we have to find the best time slot. So here, what we are going to do first, we are going to find the time value. So here we are going to find the time value. So this time, actually this date time has a value. So what we can do is we can simply say number value and use this, and this would give us the number value, because each time date has a number value. Now if I drag it, so we have these number values. Now from these number values, we what we want actually is we want this time only. Okay, that's why we are doing it, because we have to find the time slot. So from this time value, we are using this number value to find the value. And now here, what we can do is we can say this minus, and we use this integer over this and subtract it. This would give us this rest of the value. That is the time value. So in this time value, this 43481 is the date, and then after the decimal, this is the time. And here what we are going to do is we are going to remove this integer value from the actual value. So we get the only this value after the decimal, and that is this much, because this is the time for us. So now if I drag it, I get it. Now we can convert this into the time. So like this. So now it has been converted to time. So here I have this time slot here. So we have these time slot 12 a.m. to 3 a.m., then 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, and these are the for 24 hours. So what we are going to do is now, we are going to use the COUNTIF here. COUNTIFs actually. And we are going to give the multiple criteria. So in this range here, freeze it. Then we are going to give a criteria. Okay, so let me do one thing. I'll just zoom it. Okay, this. So I'm going to use COUNTIF. And in the COUNTIF, let's find the range first. And then we are going to say inside the quote, we are going to say greater than sign. And then we are going to say greater than this time. Again, we are going to use this range, same one. And then inside the code, we are going to say less than and this. And this is going to give us the numbers. So these are the count. I can drag this and we can call it count. So what did I do? I'm using this COUNTIF. COUNTIFs. We are selecting this range. This is the range. We have this range here from this one. And we are using and we are giving these criteria. So first is this one greater than this time. So we are saying greater than and this. And then again, we are using the range and we are saying less than this. And this is giving us the criteria. This is giving us the data. So we have this data from 12 to 3, we have these many registration. From 3 to 6, we have these many. From 6 to 9, we have these many. And from this, so this is how the count is coming here. So this is the complete data. If you look at this, we have like 700 in total. This is giving us, so if I just count it, we have this like 697. So this is how we find the data by R. So how it is going to be useful. Now we can understand this, in the afternoon from 12 to 3, we have 93 registration. Then after 3 to 6, we have 97. But from 6 to 9, we have 82. So this is a less one here. Same way here, the 12 to 3 and 3 to 6, we have 85 and 90. But from 6 to 9, we have only 66. 9 to 12, we have 91. So this is how we perform the data analysis on the hourly basis. And this is a good way to understand the date, the registration, when the registration are happening and when the sales are happening or the purchases are happening. All right, so I hope this was of some use. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck.